So here we go. Echoes through Dayton.
Tires humming on the open road. Dayton skylines where I'm bound. Winds whispering secrets in my ear as I ride. Thought I'd never hear passing fields and factories. Stories of folks just like you and me. Sunset painting golden dreams. Life's a canvas full of scenes. Ohio's heart a beating drum. Finding peace in the hum. Motorcycle steady strum. To the horizon here we come. Riding free. The wind's my guide. Two wheels in motion. No need to hide. Echoes of life's sweet serenades. Dayton streets my spirit quays. With every mile I'm feeling alive. Every chord this road's my drive. Streetlights flicker as night falls. Memories wrapped in its shawls. Past the river where stories flow. In this town I feel the glow. Leather jacket worn but true. Memories stitched in every hue. Small town whispers, voices clear. In this pride I lose my fear. Dayton's pulse a steady beat. Through its veins where past and future meet. Finding solace in the street. Rhythms of life in every heartbeat. Riding free. The wind's my guide. Two wheels in motion. No need to hide. Echoes of black sweet serenades. To Dayton streets my spirit way. With every mile I'm feeling alive. Every chord this road's my jive. Under the moon's gentle grace, body moan, peaceful place, wheels turning life's embrace, stars above divine lake, riding free. The wind's my guide, two wheels in motion, no need to hide. Echoes of life's sweet serenades, Dayton streets my spirit way. With every mile I'm feeling alive, every chord this road's my jive. Got a patch of earth in a troubled town where the shadows lurk and the sun goes down. I plant my seeds, try to make it through the days. In this garden of weeds I find a million ways. Living off the land, got dirt on my hands. Life ain't always grand, but I make my stand. In my little room under violet light, smell the sweet perfume growing through the night. They don't understand, but it's a part of my soul. With my heart and hands, this garden makes me whole. Living off the land, got dirt on my hands. Life ain't always grand, but I make my stand. Scream and shout, but I'll always find my way. From this garden there's no doubt I'll see a brighter day. Living off the land, got dirt on my hands. Life ain't always grand, but I make my stand. Living off the land, got a garden that's my pride. In a world that's cold and hard, I find peace inside. When the night gets dark and the streets ain't safe, I know my hands can shape a safer space, a tranquil place. I'm planting hope in the soil of despair. I watch it growing, even in shadows. My spirit's glowing. I reap what I sow. there. Campus scrolls under the lights, it's my silent prayer. When world falls apart and the bullets fly, I turn my eyes to my green little paradise. I'm planting hope in the soil of despair. I watch it growing, even in the shadows. My spirit's glowing. I reap what I sow. I'm planting hope. Even when the world's a mess and I'm feeling so oppressed, I find a way to cope. In my garden there's hope. I'm planting hope in the soil of despair. I watch it growing, even in the shadows. My spirit's glowing. I reap what I sow. I'm planting hope.
So the music's done. Alright, well, I'll end the video here. I hope you enjoyed the songs. That last one kind of gets me, I'll be real. But tune back, subscribe for more. I'll see what I got next.
They found a secret path among the blooms, quiet steps in the garden's room, silent whispers as nature resumes.